So you should have done the triads on your own. If you haven't, then I need you to pause the video and give them a try. And then once you're done, you'll hit play. For those who did the triads, let's go over problems 4 through 9 and let's see how you did. So first we know with subtraction, we always need to rewrite. So let's rewrite our equation. So we have 8 plus, so this turns to an addition sign, and then we do the opposite of 3, which is -3. And then now we can use those addition rules. So different signs mean we subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. We keep the sign of our larger number, which is positive, so my answer is just 5. Now this one's a little bit easier because it's big minus small, which is what we've learned since elementary school. And you could have just saw that it was 8 minus 3 is 5. But once we have it rewritten like we do over here, where it's a small number minus a bigger number, this is where that rewrite is really important. So let's rewrite our equation. If I spell right, that'd be lovely. So our rewrite, we have 9. We keep the sign of our first number. We change subtraction to addition. And now we do the opposite of positive 17, which is -17. So these are different signs. Different signs mean we subtract. So now we can use the absolute value. So 17 minus 9 is 8. And then we take the sign of our larger number, which is negative. Over here, now let's do that again. So we're going to rewrite. So we keep the sign of our first number, which was negative. Then we change our subtraction to addition. And then the opposite of 3 is -3. I almost circled that, and it should have just been parentheses. So now we can use addition rules. These are both same sign. We have 2 negatives. And so we are going to add the opposite. Nope, we are not. We are going to add them like normal and keep our sign because they're same sign. Same sign. We add and we keep the sign. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and then our sign is negative because both of those numbers were negative. All right, number 7. We rewrite, so we have -14. We keep the sign of our first number. We change subtraction to addition, and then we're going to do the opposite of our positive 9, which is -9. These are same sign. And so we add them like normal and we keep the sign. So we have 23 and it'll be negative because both of our numbers were negative. All right, so again, we keep our first number, we change our subtraction to addition, and then we do the opposite of -8, which is +8. And these are same signs, so we're just going to add like normal. 10 plus 8 is 18, and they're both positive, so my answer is positive. We also could have just saw a negative with a negative right next to it, so minus a negative always just turns to plus, and you'll see there that we have 10 plus 8, which is exactly what we had when we rewrote it. All right, last one, keep our sign for our first number, so that's -12. Change our subtraction to addition, and then the opposite of -12 is +12, which is exactly what we would have had we just saw that from the beginning and made that into a giant plus sign. Now these are additive inverses, which means I'm adding a negative and its opposite, which should equal 0. But if you didn't realize that, then you would say that these are different signs. So we subtract 12 minus 12 is 0. All right, so that is all we have for 1.4.